Hello. You can see I just managed to get looks like a more decent supply this year. Like for this new camera. First you need these. Energizer, Lithium. These are the best. This is E square, but they call them ultimate nowadays. These are the kind you should buy. Called the world's longest lasting AAA battery high tech device. You always gotta buy with the, and this, 2 gigs of flash memory, so now I can double the memory on this camera you can see better, you can see more videos get made nowadays. Oh, you like that? You like these batteries? There's a nice tagline you should always remember, and that is, put your trust in the bunny. The Energizer bunny, that is. Well, that's all for now.